Welcome to my channel. Let us look at rule number 2.1, conversion from infix to prefix. This rule is called lower precedence, and it is exactly the same as that we have seen from infix to postfix, right? So if the incoming operator has lower precedence than the top of the stack operator will be popped out, and the incoming operator will again be compared to the new top of the stack. So we will understand this much better if we look at a real example. So I have taken this expression. The first thing we need to do is to reverse this expression. So I will say here d star c to the power b minus a. This is the reversed expression, correct? After reversing the expression, I will scan it from left to right. So first I will just write down here input, I'll say here stack, I will say here output, and then we will scan this reversed expression from left to right. So here first d is not an operator, I will write d here into the output, right? Star is an operator, then I will push star into the stack, I will write d as it is, right? And then I will write here c is the token. We are scanning this expression from left to right. I have c here, c is not an operator, therefore I will say here dc. Now comes exponential. Exponential has greater precedence than the operator in the stack. So this is rule number 1. Exponential has greater precedence than the operator in the stack, rule number 1. Therefore, how do I know that exponential has greater precedence? So we have this, right? Precedence where exponential's precedence is 1 and star's precedence is 2. Therefore, exponential has greater precedence. The incoming operator has greater precedence than the operator in the stack. Therefore, I push it into the stack. I will say star exponential dc, correct? Then comes b is not an operator, I will just write b in the output. Then comes minus, and this is our rule here, where if the incoming operator has lower precedence, so incoming operator minus obviously has lower precedence. This minus precedence is 3, whereas exponential's precedence is 1. Therefore, incoming operator minus has lower precedence than the exponential operator. Therefore, the top of the stack operator, which is exponential, will be popped out, and the incoming operator will again be compared to the new top of the stack. So let us look at this first. If the incoming operator has lower precedence, of course the incoming operator minus has lower precedence than the top of the stack, that is exponential. Therefore the top of the stack operator will be popped out. Let us look till here. So what will be popped out? The exponential will be popped out, dcb, right? Exponential, this will be popped out, and we don't just push minus to the top of the stack. Now we compare minus again with the multiplication operator. That's what I have written here, where and the incoming operator will again be compared to the new top of the stack. So here, after popping out exponential, the new top of the stack would be multiplication. Therefore again minus will again be compared to multiplication, and we can clearly see that the precedence is 3 here, and for multiplication the precedence is 2. Therefore minus has lower precedence than multiplication. Therefore again multiplication also will be popped out, and then because nothing is left here in the stack, I push minus into the stack here, right? After this, I have a token a here, I'll write minus here, dcb to the power multiplication minus. After this, I have evaluated the whole expression, and this is not my final answer. We know that through previous examples that we need to just reverse this as well. So my final prefix expression will be minus, I will reverse this, star exponential b c d, correct? b c d. This is my final prefix expression from this infix expression through rule number 2.1. This is a very important rule, because students make a mistake that once they pop exponential, they push minus into the stack. No, once you pop exponential, then you compare minus with again the new top of the stack, that is multiplication here. And then if here multiplication has greater precedence than minus, or minus has lesser precedence than multiplication, therefore we pop multiplication again here, right? And then and then we push minus into the stack. This is rule number 2.1. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.